Hi guys, today I will show you my office, my home office. I used to work inside home, but with the kids it was like a nightmare. Like it was very hard to focus. Then some friends and we built this. Ta-da! This is my office. So as you see, it's a Home Depot shed, like a plastic shed. Um, Inside I put some insulation for the hot and cold. Then I put a table here and see, look how much space, like you're gonna be here, you close your door. I have even an air conditioner over here, and that's it. You will ask me like, how much does it cost you? It was like the house, like the plastic house, was like about 600 dollars, and then I have to add this basement from Home Depot. It was about like $100. Then two dear friends helped me out, like building it out in just like 3 or 4 hours, and that's it. I'm very comfortable here. I can be focused. My kids are there. I can see them. They come and visit me, but I can work. So it's important to have your own place to work and to be comfortable. If you wanna know more details, just like leave me a comment, and we'll very happy to share with you like the links of the house and everything like that. I'm not working with Home Depot or something. I'm just gonna like help you out to be as comfortable and if you have the space.